15.50.
We have a new quote. It's 13.50 to 15.50. Back into the ceremony of the going public, the first listing of Exasol AG. Silvio Bernhard of Steubing will be fixing the first price in a few moments, together with the market supervision of Xetra, which is observing the price fixing procedure for this new listing of Exasol AG. If you stepped in shortly, just stepped into that event here, Aaron Old, CEO of Exasol, just held his very nice and very special. Now we have a new quote. It's 13 to 49.5.
40.50.
Aaron Old just addressed his employees, he addressed his customers, and of course for him as well, this is a very special moment and this rather extraordinary time to be here and to have a first listing, but really what a great thing to do. So now we have a few more minutes. Our management of Exasol is here on the trading floor, the supervisory board, the CTO and the CFO. Silvio Bernhard from Steubing. And in the back, Michael Krugmann. He's a member of the executive board of Börse Frankfurt. And you see a few press people here. I see NTV and I see Olli Roth here in the back with Aktionärs TV. That's all. And normally this place is really crowded with people if we have such an exciting event. My name's Edda. I'm trying to explain what's happening here. Markus, my colleague, he's upstairs and he's mixing the two streams we have. And this is our first time we actually accompany an IPO, a listing, in such a digital format. And we're really glad that we can do it, and we're excited about the new things we can do in the future with that. And Exasol, it's an IT service provider. It's going to be listed in Scale, which is the small and medium company segment. Deutsche Börse to have lower entrance barriers for small and medium-sized companies. And we as Deutsche Börse, we help and provide a network of expertise for the companies in the listing process. It might be juristical help, do prospectus, communication advisory, etc., etc. There are events, there are webinars, there are all types of information. You can check at Deutsche Börse cashmarket.com. So we're waiting a few more minutes. It's 9:16. The market is friendly.
The actual quote 13.25 to 13.75.
The quote is getting more narrow. The spread is getting.
25 to 13,75 für die Exasol.
Silvio Bernhard said €13.25 to 13,75 oder 50?
13,25 to 13,75.
13.25 to 13.75. So at the moment of the price fixing, the trading range, or it's not the trading range, it's the range, the matching range between the bid and the ask side is getting more narrow. So at the beginning, we started on Xetra with 10 to 15, and now we're above it. If you have an adjustment of the range, it takes some more time. It's happening on Xetra. I cannot see Xetra from here, which we'll do differently next time. So I put a actually tell you what's happening there. First price, which is a very exciting moment for everybody, for investors, for the company itself, of course, for the management. It's kind of like the crown after 6 months, at least, of hard preparation. And at that moment, they will get an answer from the market, from the public, what the market is thinking the company is worth. And in the last 20 years, I've witnessed it processes like this, IPOs like this. So there have been all types of outcomes. Exasol will be the number 49 at scale. 49 companies are listed there. And I already told you a few minutes ago what the potential for companies, for enterprises, but also for investors, of course. It's a very interesting segment. You can, if you're a stock picker and you're looking for small Nebenwerte, as we say in German, investment chances, it's worth. And one important thing I didn't say tell you yet. At Deutsche Börse, we organize research. You have research for the companies in scale. It's published on börsen-frankfurt.de, our website. And you can, it's very hard nowadays to get research as a private investor due to a lot of circumstances, regulation, for example, and for the companies in scale, there is research available on the börse-frankfurt.de website. It's the website for investors we provide as Deutsche Börse with
30, 50, 14.
Sehr gut changed.
50, 14 Euro für die Exasol.
Sehr gut changed the indication. That's the bid-ask side from 13.50 to 14 euros. You have on the, if you're not familiar with the prices on stock exchanges, in trading in general, on the bid side, you see the price somebody is willing to sell, and on the right side, you see the price somebody is willing to buy. And if you're willing to sell, it's the left side. That's the important side for you. That's the bid. In German, we say Geld. And on the other side, that's the ask. In German, we say Brief. That's the price that matters if you're willing to buy. And so, of course, limits the price indications or the price other people ask, other investors, other market participants ask for. If they want to sell, that's on your right side. And now we have 13.50 to 14.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. The first price in Exasol is 14 euro. Congratulations.
Congrats. It's 14 euros for the first price. After an issue price of 9.50. Now on the floor, trading already starts right away, and the next price, and he's telling us the next prices and the next indications. And the second price after the first price was 14.20. Congratulations. Etc. Xetra is going up as well? Yeah, of course it is. Yeah, of course it is. Otherwise, there would be arbitrage.
Umsatz bisher ca. 120.000 Stück.
Okay, Silvio just said 120 entity equities units were already traded. That's great. $14.40 is one of the next prices in floor trading. Michael Grogman is congratulating. I hope you liked the broadcasting of this IPO here this morning in Frankfurt, the very successful IPO from Exasol AG. First price of 14. We're happy if you give us feedback. 14.60. Now it's
Darf ich den Kollegen auch nochmal dazu bitten zum Foto? Ja. Einmal links und rechts.
Members of the supervisory board and you have on the right Gerhard Rupf and on the left side of him Michael Grogman will join.
Ja. Super. Die rechte nicht auf den Tisch lassen, weil dann ist sie so abgeschnitten. Ja, genau. Okay, Dylan. Das für den Lächeln übrig passt. Einfach Danke. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute.
Thank you for joining us here. This was the very successful IPO from Exasol AG. 14 first price after an issue price of 9.15 from Frankfurt Stock Exchange this morning. It's the company number 49 in scale, the small and medium size the segment for small and medium sized company of Deutsche Börse. And my name is Edda and Markus, we organize the stream, and thank you for joining, and we are happy to get feedback. And I hope to see you all here physically on the floor soon, and if not, at our next IPO via internet.